Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a footer on your Wix website. This is particularly useful when you want to create clean, distraction-free pages like landing pages or special promotional pages where you don't want the standard footer elements visible. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you into the specific settings for your website. Now you'll be on a page where you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to remove a footer from, especially if you manage multiple Wix sites. It's always good to double-check before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll find on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This action will direct you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's appearance. Once you're in the editor, look for the Pages and Menu button located on the left navigation menu and click on it. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all the pages you have in your website. This is essentially your site's structure laid out in one place. Now, here's an important thing to understand. The only option to remove a footer in Wix is by hiding it from specific pages. To proceed with hiding the footer, locate the page where you wish to hide the footer from the list. Hover your cursor over that page, and you'll see a three-dot icon, also known as the More icon button. Click on it, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up the specific settings for that individual page. Under the Page Settings, click on the Layout tab. This tab controls how structural elements like headers and footers appear on your page. From here, you'll see an option labeled No Header and Footer. Simply click on it to hide both the header and footer of your selected page. The changes should apply immediately, giving your page that clean, streamlined look without the footer. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the footer from your Wix page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.